For decades, the art of plastering has remained largely unchanged. It's a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. We rely on skilled tradespeople to get the job done right. But what if there was a better way? Enter Derutu Plastering, a revolutionary technology poised to transform the construction industry as we know it. Derutu isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a game-changer. This innovative system promises to make plastering faster, more efficient, and more sustainable. Imagine perfectly smooth walls, reduced material waste, and shorter construction timelines. That's the promise of Derutu. This isn't about replacing skilled trades, it's about giving them the tools to work smarter, not harder. Derutu empowers plasterers with technology that enhances their skills and boosts their productivity. It's about building better buildings faster and more efficiently. So, what exactly is Derutu Plastering? At its core, Derutu is an automated plastering system. It takes the heavy lifting, literally, out of the plastering process. Imagine robotic arms gliding across walls, applying plaster with pinpoint accuracy. That's Derutu in action. But it's not just about automation. Derutu is packed with features designed to improve every aspect of plastering. Think self-leveling mechanisms that guarantee perfectly smooth surfaces every time. Integrated sensors monitor plaster thickness and consistency, ensuring a flawless finish. And because Derutu is so precise, it dramatically reduces material waste, saving time, money, and the environment. Derutu isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. The system is incredibly versatile, capable of handling a wide range of plaster types and textures. From smooth finishes to textured designs, Derutu can tackle it all with ease. This adaptability makes it ideal for a wide range of construction projects, from residential homes to large-scale commercial buildings. The secret sauce of Derutu lies in its sophisticated technology. This isn't your grandfather's plastering system. Derutu combines cutting-edge robotics with artificial intelligence to deliver unparalleled precision and performance. At the heart of the system are automated plastering arms. These robotic marvels are designed for both speed and accuracy. They glide effortlessly across surfaces, applying plaster with a level of consistency that's impossible to achieve by hand. But the arms are only part of the story. Derutu's smart sensors play a crucial role in ensuring a flawless finish. These sensors constantly monitor plaster thickness, consistency, and even temperature. This real-time data allows the system to make micro-adjustments on the fly, guaranteeing a perfectly even application every time. And then there's the AI. Derutu's AI calibration system is the brains behind the operation. It analyzes data from the sensors and guides the robotic arms with incredible precision. This intelligent system can adapt to different wall surfaces, plaster types, and even environmental conditions, ensuring consistent results no matter the challenge. Section 4. Derutu versus tradition, a head-to-head comparison. The construction industry thrives on efficiency. Time is money, and that's where Derutu truly shines. Compared to traditional plastering methods, Derutu is light years ahead in terms of speed and efficiency. What used to take days can now be accomplished in hours. This accelerated workflow means shorter construction timelines and faster project completion. But speed isn't everything. Quality matters, and Derutu delivers in spades. The system's precision and automated controls ensure a level of consistency that's simply unmatched by manual methods. We're talking perfectly smooth walls, crisp lines, and a flawless finish every time. And then there's the cost. While the initial investment in Derutu might seem significant, the long-term savings are undeniable. Faster completion times mean lower labor costs. Reduced material waste translates into substantial savings. And the exceptional quality minimizes the need for costly rework. Derutu isn't just a technological marvel, it's a smart investment. Section 5. Derutu in action, building the future today. Derutu isn't just a pie-in-the-sky concept, it's already making waves in the real world. From high-rise apartment buildings to modern office complexes, Derutu is proving its worth on job sites around the globe. And the feedback from those who have witnessed its capabilities firsthand has been overwhelmingly positive. Contractors are raving about the increased productivity and reduced labor costs. Project managers are impressed by the accelerated timelines and streamlined workflows, and homeowners are thrilled with the flawless finishes and reduced construction times. Derutu is living up to its promise, delivering exceptional results and transforming the construction landscape. Take for instance the recently completed The Shard in London. This ambitious project involved plastering vast expanses of walls, and Derutu proved to be the perfect solution. The system's speed and efficiency allowed the project to stay ahead of schedule, while the quality of the finished work exceeded expectations. Section 6. Constructing Tomorrow: Smart Tech and Sustainability. Derutu offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of construction. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge. Imagine AI-powered site management systems that optimize workflows, predict potential problems, and ensure projects run smoothly from start to finish. The possibilities are endless. Sustainability is no longer a buzzword, it's a necessity. And the construction industry has a crucial role to play in reducing our environmental footprint. Derutu is already making strides in this area by minimizing material waste. But the future holds even greater promise. Imagine construction materials made from recycled plastics or bio-based polymers. Picture buildings designed to generate their own energy and reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. The future of construction is about building smarter, greener, and more sustainably, and Derutu is leading the charge. Section 7. Derutu, a glimpse into the future of construction. Derutu Plastering isn't just an incremental improvement in construction technology, it's a giant leap forward. By combining cutting-edge robotics, intelligent automation, and a commitment to sustainability, Derutu is poised to revolutionize the way we build. This is about more than just faster construction times and smoother walls. It's about embracing innovation to address the challenges facing the construction industry. It's about creating a future where buildings are constructed with greater efficiency, sustainability, and precision. Derutu is a shining example of what's possible when we embrace innovation. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness technology to create a better future. As we look to the future of construction, one thing is clear: Derutu is just the beginning.